Hello everyone. So today is 30th of October and I wasn't able to study yesterday because I was sick. I was suffering from fever and I was having throat pain. Even today I have some symptoms, but still I'm happy that I was able to study around 8 hours of my study. Yesterday I also studied I have studied newspaper and I have revised some of my content and I continued to write my answer because that is the one thing which I wanted to continue. Today also I have wrote few answers. If I talk about my day, 3 hours I have finished the chapter 5 of sociology, and in the later 3 hour I have started the agriculture portion. As I mentioned earlier that I have finished the internal security, and the 2 hour in which 1 hour I devoted it for the newspaper, in which I have studied the Hindu and Indian Express both. And then it was a 1 hour in which I have studied I have wrote three answers today, but I am not satisfied the way I'm writing answer. I don't even know if I'm able to compete with other students whosoever is preparing for this examination. What I think that whenever I start this answer writing practice, the major issue which I face is that first of all, I have never given mains, so whenever I write answer, so it feels like I am writing some generic point, even though I have revised geography 2 times, but still whenever I try to write answer, it starts to come like a generic point. And whenever an answer starts, the second biggest issue is that I start to think intro, like what I should write the intro. Even though there are certain questions in which, like, if I have prepared well, I am able to write that intro, but still in most of the questions which comes like a bouncers, I got a bit like I stuck a bit, so a bit of time I lost in this intro part only. And the third major issue which I face is that even though those points are written in my notes, but I'm not able to like make the notes appear on my answers. But as I am saying that consistency is a key to the perfection, so I will, even though I am not trying to achieve perfection in this, but still I will continue. Now what I want to do from tomorrow is that whenever I am going to write answers, like what I will do, uh, again I will write two answers tomorrow, two or three according to the time. What I will do here is that I will uh, first write answer, then I will check it thoroughly, and then I will analyze my answer with the toppers answers, and then I will see what are the, like, it's like some sort of reverse engineering. Then I will see what are the changes which I can make. Let's see, like today is 30th October, let's see next month what is the level of my answer writing. Now if I talk about the tomorrow is 31st of October, it's going to be again in the sociology part. I would say sociology I will be revising the thinker part completely. I will be giving it again a 3 hour, but I will be finishing whole sociology chapter 4 and chapter 5. I will be revising both again. Secondly, in the second agriculture, I will be continuing with my 3 hour of lecture of internal security, sorry, of the agriculture part. I will be finishing it, and then 1 hour of newspaper and the answer writing. Now there is something which I also wanted to start, is that essay preparation. There are things in my mind, and poly, political science, that is polity. I don't know what I'm saying right now, but yeah, I also have to start the polity revision. So these two things is in my mind, and I also have to start essay ethics. I think I have to think about this, otherwise I will forget this part, because I have made notes completely, but I have to study it again. So let's make plan it tomorrow. Okay, so tomorrow I am gonna give 30 minutes to this also, that I will keep, remember, 30 minutes I will give to this that how I'm gonna pursue these two subject future. So okay, thank you everyone, let's meet tomorrow.